Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that's all about providing comfort and support. Whether you're a professional in the beauty or massage industry, or just someone who wants the best for their clients. I'll be reviewing the Master Massage 30-inch Montour LX portable massage table package, an incredibly well thought out piece of equipment designed for both professionals and students. So let's see what makes this folding spa bed stand out. This portable massage table measures 30 inches wide and 84 inches long, complete with a headrest, and it weighs only 34 pounds. Yes, it's lightweight, making it easy to transport, perfect for therapists who need to move between locations or anyone working with limited space. Yet despite the lightweight, this table doesn't compromise on durability or stability, making it strong enough for professional use. What really stands out about the Montour LX is its thoughtful design and the comfort it provides. The 3-inch multi-layer small cell foam is topped with memory foam, offering enhanced cushioning. This gives your clients a plush and supportive surface to lie on, which is crucial, especially for long sessions. And if you're a massage therapist, you know that comfort can make or break a session. This table promises that extra 26% of cushion space compared to standard foldable beauty beds within the same size footprint. Now, I want to talk about the build. Stability is a must-have when it comes to a portable table, and this one delivers. Thanks to the duoplane hinges and clevis black leg attachments, the Montour LX ensures that your clients won't feel any wobbling or instability during their massage. It can support a working weight of up to 650 pounds, which is impressive for a portable table. For added reinforcement, the Reiki end panels give an extra layer of strength, making this table feel solid and secure under pressure. The aesthetics? Well, it's not just practical, it's also sleek. The Dove Gray PU upholstery looks professional and is easy to clean. The oil and water-resistant surface means you won't be fretting over spills, and the CFC-free material ensures a more environmentally friendly choice. I particularly love the denim-like backing, which gives the upholstery a durable, textured finish. Setting up this table is a breeze too. The quick-set leg knobs, stabilizer bar, and auto-lock leg system make assembly quick, and the whole setup process feels intuitive. The table package comes with some added goodies: an ergonomic Dream adjustable face cradle, memory foam face cushion, disposable face covers, a comfort half-round bolster, a fully padded Florida-style stationary arm shelf, and even a 4-pocket carrying case. This makes the Montour LX truly complete, offering everything a professional might need for a full massage or beauty session. Now, let's break it down into pros and cons. On the plus side, the cushioning is definitely a highlight. The 3-inch foam layer with memory foam provides excellent support and comfort for clients, and the additional 26% cushioning space is a great touch for anyone who spends long hours on the table. The stability is also outstanding. No wobbling or instability, even with heavier clients. The easy setup is another win, and the fact that you get all the accessories included in the package makes this table even more valuable. On the downside, while the table is lightweight for portability, its size might be too large for those working in smaller spaces or needing something ultra compact. Also, while the Dove Gray color is sleek, it may show stains more easily than darker colors, so extra care may be needed for maintenance. As for value, this table is priced fairly for what it offers. When you consider the build quality, the memory foam cushioning, and all the included accessories, you're getting a solid product for the price. It's definitely an investment, but one that should last for years and provide comfort and support for both you and your clients. The 5-year after-sales service is also reassuring when it comes to long-term durability. Comparing it to similar products on the market, there are definitely cheaper massage tables out there, but most of them won't offer the same level of cushioning, stability, and accessory package. If you're willing to spend a little more for those features, the Montour LX stands out in terms of long-term value. As for build quality, the durability of this table is certainly noteworthy. The strong frame, reinforced with the Reiki end panels, ensures that it holds up under regular use. The upholstery also seems built to last, with Master Massage backing it up with a solid warranty. In terms of customer support, I haven't had direct interaction with the brand, But Master Massage is known for their reliable after-sale service, which is always a good sign. If you're looking for alternatives, you could find other massage tables at a lower price, but they might not offer the same level of comfort and stability. If budget is a concern, you might want to look at simpler models, but keep in mind that you could be sacrificing some key features that could make your work easier. To wrap it up, the Master Massage 30-inch Montour LX portable massage table is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a portable, durable, and comfortable massage table. It excels in cushioning, stability, and ease of setup, making it perfect for professionals who need a reliable, high-quality table. While it might be a bit on the larger side for those with limited space, and its price point is on the higher end, it offers long-term value that makes it a solid investment. If this review helped you out, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest and in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried the Montour LX or have any other massage tables in mind, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.